Today I'm going to make some vanilla ice cream, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to make some vanilla ice cream. I have already added 1 cup of heavy cream in the food processor. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I have a half a block of cream cheese added to the recipe here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some erythritol sugar to it. Let me just get it out. 3 tablespoons of erythritol in here. Just 1, 2, 3. And again, this is what erythritol look like. Okay. All right, I'm gonna mix this together. Oh. We'll add a pinch of salt. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out of the food processor and put it in the freezer. I'll let you see when it comes out of the freezer. I'll let you see when it comes out of the freezer. Container. I just added the ice cream in this little container. We had bought some keto ice cream before from HEB, so I decided I would use that again to make Bill some ice cream. This is our front patio off the front, and you can see the lake from here. We sit out here a lot of mornings. We can see out here probably until 3 o'clock, just enjoying ourselves, because on the front of the house it is shady. We get a lot of shade in the front of the house. So we enjoy sitting out here, having some coffee, enjoying the weather and the views. I mean, nice and quiet. Just love it here. That is real vanilla ice cream. It looks delicious, and I'm gonna taste it. It's so good. Really good. How's the ice cream?
That's good, huh?
Thank you. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.